Okay guys, so today we're going to work on 15.4. We're going to problem solve with three-dimensional solids. Today we're not going to really work on the front, we're going to start on the second page. So we're on page 564. These are all riddles. So you're going to read the sentences and try to figure out what shape it is talking about. Okay, you're going to think about what information is given to you and what your strategy is going to be. You're going to draw the object for the riddle. Okay, you're going to use the models of the solids to help you. So for number 1, I am a block. Okay, well, a block, I know that a block is the shape of a cube. So does a cube have 6 faces that are squares? Yeah, it does. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my cube. And there is my block. Okay, let's double check and let's go ahead and count the sides, or the faces, I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the back, 6. So does it have 6 faces? Yes, it does. And does it look like a block? Yeah, I think so. All right, so you're gonna do the other ones by yourself. Again, just read them carefully. If you need to look back at one of our previous chapters to help you with what the shapes look like, go ahead and look back, okay? So these are all just riddles. All you're doing is writing them. If you want to, you can even name them. So this shape, the shape of the block, is a cube. All right, so that's gonna go on for 1 through 4. Number 5 is a hot chili pepper. It's another riddle. It says, I am a box. I have 2 faces that are triangles. 2 faces, let's underline that because that's important, that are triangles. I have 3 faces that are rectangles. All right, well, I know that we just learned about certain shapes yesterday: the rectangular prism, the cube, and the triangular prism. So I'm looking for a shape that has 2 faces that are triangles and 3 faces that are rectangles. Maybe we can look back and see if we can find that one. Okay, this number 6, another hot chili pepper. I am a block. I have 6 faces. I have 8 vertices. Draw 2 different blocks that I could be. Again, I'm going to look back. We talked about this yesterday. Right here on number 1. Remember, I have two types of blocks. I have the rectangular prism and the cube. Both of them have 6 faces. Both of them have 8 vertices. And both of them have the same amount of edges. All right, so do you think maybe that could help me with this one? We're going to draw 2 different blocks that this one could be talking about, okay? It doesn't say that they all have the same, that doesn't have all the same size faces. So we need to be careful with that, okay? So again, 2 different blocks. It doesn't say that they have to have equal faces. If you need help on any of these 2, the hot chili peppers, go ahead and let me know and I can walk you through it in more detail. The back you're going to do by yourself, just like we do in class. Again, if you need help, if you need extra support, I'll be more than happy to go over it with you. And that's it. We're going to go ahead and stop on page 566.